Military occupational specialty, construction equipment repairer.
What's the problem?
Don't know, might be fuel, I'm losing power.
Okay, let's check it out.
Fixing problems anytime, anywhere is the job of this MOS, keeping the Army's engineer equipment on the move. To do this, the Army will train you in basic and intermediate maintenance of equipment in the field or the maintenance shop. You'll also train to troubleshoot and isolate problems in electrical systems, various type engines, hydraulics, braking systems, and powertrain. You'll train as well to use various hand and power tools, welding equipment, and diagnostic tools like multimeters and the Stay-Ice computer. After your initial entry training and advanced individual training, you'll work long hours in the field, day or night, where your duties may include various diagnostic and maintenance tasks on equipment for earth moving, grading, lifting and loading, compaction, concrete work, and quarrying. You may also be required to read circuit diagrams and flowcharts and to lift and carry heavy components. Serving in this MOS can help you transition from the military to the civilian employment sector because your skills in leadership, teamwork, and problem solving, combined with a more developed sense of responsibility, self-discipline, and motivation, are skills and values in demand by civilian employers.
That'll do it.
Thanks, great job.
Military occupational specialty, construction equipment repairer.